Hello Ramadan. My name as usual Mr. Mustafe, one of the coaches here at Iqra College. I hope you're doing good and you're enjoying your Ramadan, this holy month of Ramadan. Welcome to our lesson today, and our lesson is entitled Synonyms. Today we're going to look at different words that are used to talk about the same thing. Our first word on the whiteboard, sufficient. What does it mean? The word sufficient means enough. Another word for the word sufficient is simply enough. We can have a sentence and say, there is sufficient water in the kitchen. There is enough water in the kitchen. There is enough people. There is sufficient people. There is adequate number of cars in the town. Sufficient. The next word, insufficient. You realize that the word insufficient is the opposite of the word sufficient. Then inadequate is the opposite of the word adequate. So the word insufficient or inadequate simply means not enough. Hassan has inadequate money. He cannot buy a car. Abdallah has got insufficient visitors for his planning. Maybe somebody is planning for a wedding. So somebody or so-and-so has got insufficient number of visitors to plan for what you're trying to talk about. The next word, praise. To praise is to compliment, to talk about somebody in a good way, to praise somebody, to say, oh, this person is good, this person is nice, he helped people the other day. So what are you talking about? You're talking about complimenting somebody. She complimented Abdallah for the good work she did in the market. He praised Hassan for the good work he did in the mosque. Compliment simply means praise, to talk good things about somebody. The next word is single. Single simply means unmarried. Single means one, unmarried. My friend, Mr. Shimber, is single. Are you single or are you married? Mr. Shimber is single. Mr. Shimber is unmarried. What about you? Are you married or single? The next word is lucky. Lucky simply means fortunate. Lucky simply means fortunate. Oh, this person is lucky. Why is he lucky? He's lucky because yesterday he got a scholarship. Many people have applied for this scholarship and they haven't gotten the scholarship. But this person is lucky. He's just applied today and got a scholarship. Therefore, this person is fortunate. Hassan is fortunate. Abdallah is fortunate. She is lucky. I'm also very lucky. I usually get the things I like. What about you? Are you lucky? Next time I'm going to teach you the opposite of the word lucky. The next word is astonishing. Astonishing. Astonishing, we can say amazing, surprising, something that is kind of unbelievable in a very different way. We can say he scored an astonishing goal in the previous football match. It was a great goal. That is our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me in this lesson. Take advantage of our online program at Iqra College to ensure that you empower yourself, you enrich yourself with English skill in this holy month of Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak.